Hey guys, so this is the 70 jump starter. It actually helps to jump start the car. So let's do an unboxing for this 70 mic. It comes in a very nice packaging, and inside the packaging it has a carry bag. Very nice bag. You have the handle here. This will be placed in my car. So I'll just leave the box one side now. Let's check it out what's inside. So according to the box, it is 11,000 ampere battery, and it comes with a fast charge. So this is the jump starter. This is the jump starter unit. Oops. So the user manual. Good thing it is in multi-language, so I can read them. This is awesome because many of the products doesn't come with English, so I can't read actually. So I can't read Chinese, so this is good, which I can read English. So let's put aside. This is the jump start unit. So 70 mic. So what you should do is do not overcharge the internal battery, do not smoke, strike a match, do only charge the battery in well-ventilated area. So make sure that you charge this unit in well-ventilated area. It comes with the adapter. This is where you plug into your car. This is where you plug to your battery. The battery, and then this is to the unit here. Alright. So it also have a USB Type-C. So you charge the unit using a USB Type-C. And let's try to see how do I. So there's 3 bar, and this is the light. So that's about it. Good thing is it comes in a very nice case. Just put it back into the case, and I will read the manual and see what is it about. How do we use it? I just can't wait to try it out on my car. So once you actually connect to the device, you have to connect the unit, this adapter. You have to connect this adapter to the device, and then connect your car, battery. Make sure that the green light is on. The green light will be on here. So if the green light is flickering, if the green light is flickering, and the buzzer sound can be heard, the voltage is too low. Press the boost button and wait till the green light stops flickering. Jump start the battery within 30 seconds. So if you see that the green light is flickering here, and you need to press the button boost because of the voltage is too low. So once that is done, the green light will stop flickering, and you have to jump start the battery within 30 seconds. So what happens if the red light? So if the red light is turned on, the buzzer can be heard, which means the clip are connected the wrong end. So if your clip are connected wrongly, wrong side, you will hear a buzzer sound and the red light will be triggered. The red light will be triggered here. Make sure, so you have to connect correctly before jump start the battery. And the last here mentioned that when both the green and red light are not turned on and no buzzer can be heard, the battery may be completely damaged. Ensure that the clips are connected to the correct end. Press the boost button and wait for the green light to turn on. Jump start the battery within 30 seconds. So we need jump start within 30 seconds. So there are instructions here you need to go through. Just now that we can see that the battery has 3 solid lights, so it sits at 75% when it comes to me here. So I will fully charge it afterward. Here mentioned that to connect the USB end to the power output and charge. So we can use it as a power bank. We can charge our phone, our mobile devices. Just need to use the USB output here to the phone. And that's about it. Other than that, there are a lot of details here. What to do, what not to do, and so on. So I can't wait to try it out. So I will do a video when I can try it out later. Alright? And there are some instructions here as well. So read this instruction before use. Red clamp, positive. Black clamp, negative. So we need to clamp properly. The green light on, so once you clamp it on, the green light will be on here. The red light on with buzzer, which means it's wrongly connected. And if the green light flashes and there's beeps and there's beeping, so what happens is you need to press the boost button. If there's no light and no beep, make sure connection is correct and then press the boost. So I can't wait to try it out to see how well it goes. The best thing is it comes in a very handy small bag, small packaging like this. I can just keep it in my glove box. It looks just very clean.